happy day and welcome. Okay, so right now I'm just going to do a quick little talk about this EM spectrum WebQuest and what you're supposed to do for this. So there are three parts to this. So the first part one, introduction to the EM spectrum. What I want to make sure that you do is in the top right corner, I want you to hit your restore down button. So we're going to click on this NASA Imagine the Universe right here. And so I'm going to click this, and then let's open this up here. And then I'm going to restore down so that I can drag one over to one side, and you can see the shadow of it, and then have the other one on the other side. And now I'm able to actually work on this at the same time. So you can see here, it says the electromagnetic spectrum is the range of 7 types of what? And so it says it's the range of all types of EM radiation. So you'll just fill that into the blank. When I say mnemonic, the mnemonic is this. I just want you to retype it. So it's when you take the letters of one thing and then you turn it into letters of something else. So it's run Mark, it's Vicky, your ex-girlfriend. That's what I want you to type in for number 3. And then number 4, you're going to scroll down and it asks you to answer some questions about the chart that you're seeing, or the graph, the figure that you're seeing. So that's part 1. Part 1 shouldn't take longer than really 5 minutes, not even. Part 1 should be really quick, okay? Part 2. So part 2, what you're gonna end up doing is you're gonna click on these other links. Same thing, every time that you click on one of the links, I want you to drag it over into the side window over here. Don't worry about this video, we already watched the video. So you're gonna scroll down to be able to answer the questions. Okay, so part 2 has a couple of different links. I wanna say it's 3 different links, and you answer those questions. Again, shouldn't take longer than maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes or something like that. Remember that Control F is going to be a find button, and it's super helpful. So if you're looking for a particular word, maybe you end up looking for the word encounter, sometimes you can find that exact word. And so if you hit Control F, it'll take you right to that section if you're on that correct site. Okay. And then part 3, same thing. We're going to use this nasa.gov to answer these questions. You will click on radio waves, and then you'll click on microwaves and so on. This section has you going through I think all 7 of them. So it's radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible, ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays in order, and that's in order of increasing frequency. Okay. All right. And that part shouldn't take longer than I think 15 minutes or so. It's just a quick go through each one and kind of get an idea of for example, UV, what animals can see UV radiation. We can't. We can only see visible light. So there are animals that actually can see other types of radiation. So that's basically what you're going to be doing. And happy day, everybody.